can only hope that Santa Claus and my records agree. Then maybe this year Santa's coming home to me. I have found the perfect tree and dressed it to the nines. I've even made little gingerbread Santas. There's nothing left to chance. This year Santa's coming home to me. Spreading all over town, but of course it's not true. They say Santa ain't coming around. Trust me, I'm waiting up for you.